Before you start working around your car, make sure you have all of this and put them on. You have steel-toe shoes that will protect you from heavy objects falling down on your toes and cutting them or poking them. You are wearing safety glasses or goggles to protect your eyes from getting poked with anything that is sharp that could blind you. Make sure you invest $7 that you could buy from Home Depot or Lowe's or Harbor Freight. Any one of this would do. And make sure whenever you are doing a DIY project or do-it-yourself projects, make sure you protect yourself from getting hurt by putting on steel-toe shoes when working around your cars. Put on eye shields, safety glasses, and safety goggles when chipping with a cold chisel and a hammer to protect your eyes. Don't be careless. Think twice or 3 times before doing anything with your screwdrivers, soldering irons, pair of scissors, and many other sharp objects when doing your DIY projects. Think twice or 3 times before doing any repairs or any DIY project. Write a little step-by-step plans of which one you want to do first. And good luck, and enjoy your passion of making your cars in tip-top conditions and completing your DIY project without getting hurt. Thank you and God bless.